And then I said, then we still have this nice piece here. And this was from our chuck end of our pork chop. Again, it's going to be a little bit more fatty and take a little bit more time to cook. But depending on what you want to do with this, you could just even just slice it down thin here, and then just kind of saute that down, braise it, whatever you want to do. Again, you cut it thin, just like this. Stir fry meat, stuffed pork chops, like I said, we talked about. Maybe some barbecued pork, something in the crock pot, this would be good too. Like I said, we got our silver skin off there. Clean up a little bit of that trim. And you got a nice pork steak there that you can do something with too. So that's pork today, guys. Like I said, we got a little bit of olive oil here for our pork chop. Real simple if we wanted to. Pan sear, grilled. Little simple seasonings here. Montreal seasoning, can't go wrong. Nice flavor. Heavy seasoning for your pork, guys, too. Lots of salt, just to kind of get that pork fat and cut it with there. So again, easy, simple seasonings. A couple different knife skills. Stuffed pork chop, a nice double cut pork chop, stuffed pork loin, and what to do with the chuck steak. Again, I would deep fry this guy maybe, something like that. Nice big pork sandwich. So that's a little bit of a pork loin 101. Again, you can save time and money when you're shopping and just buy the loin and break it down to a couple different meals off of one loin, one shopping trip, 5, 4 dinners either way. So enjoy. Until next time, we'll see you soon.